In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the layout in Microsoft Teams, allowing you to customize the way you view your meetings to best suit your needs. Whether you prefer the gallery view, large gallery, together mode, or focus mode, Teams has an option for you. Let's dive in and explore how to switch between these layouts seamlessly. First, we need to join a Teams meeting. Once you're in the meeting, direct your attention to the meeting toolbar. This is where all the magic happens. Look for the button labeled More Options. It's the one that looks like three dots or a little ellipse. Go ahead and click on that, and a menu will pop up giving you more choices. In this menu, hover over the word Layout, or sometimes you'll directly see options such as Gallery, Large Gallery, Together Mode, or Focus Mode. These are the different layouts you can choose from. Now let's go through each one of them to understand what they offer. If you select the Gallery option, you'll see the standard grid view, which is probably the most familiar layout for many of us. This view is great for smaller group meetings, as it allows you to see a handful of participants simultaneously, keeping the conversation interactive and personable. Now, if your meeting has a lot of attendees and you want to see as many people as possible, Large Gallery is your friend. This option expands the grid view, allowing you to see up to 49 participants at once. It's ideal for large team meetings or conferences where being able to spot everyone is beneficial. Onto something more creative, Together Mode. Choosing this changes your screen to a virtual auditorium style setting. This is not just visually engaging, but creates a more unified feeling among participants. It's perfect for brainstorming sessions or team building activities, making it feel more like everyone's in the same room. Finally, we have Focus Mode. This option is made for when you need to really concentrate on shared content, like a presentation or a document. It highlights the content and minimizes participant videos, helping you focus without any distractions. Switching between these layouts is simple and can really enhance your meeting experience based on your needs and preferences. So the next time you're in a Teams meeting, don't hesitate to experiment with these options. Find what works best for you and ensure your meetings are as effective as possible. That covers how you can change layouts in Microsoft Teams. I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to use this newfound knowledge in your next meeting for a more tailored experience. Thank you for watching, and until